Unlock seamless teamwork. Learn how to master internal communication in Basecamp using Ping and Campfire in just a minute and a half. First, let's dive into Ping, Basecamp's direct messaging feature. To start a ping, look for the speech bubble icon, usually found in the top navigation bar or sidebar. Click it. You'll be taken to the ping screen. Here, you can search for the specific team member you want to chat with using the search bar at the top. Type their name and select them from the results. Once you've selected your recipient, a message window will appear. Type your message in the text input field at the bottom and hit the send button, often represented by a paper airplane icon, to send your message directly to them. Now, let's explore Campfire, Basecamp's group chat feature. Campfire is ideal for team-wide announcements, project-specific discussions, or general water cooler conversations. Navigate to the specific project where you want to start or participate in a Campfire discussion. Click on the project's name. Within the project, look for the Campfire tab or section. It's usually labeled Campfire or something similar, and is often represented by a flame icon. Click on it to enter the Campfire chat room. Here, you can type your message into the text input field at the bottom and press enter to share it with everyone in the Campfire. You can also use mentions to specifically notify individuals within the group. Campfire also lets you react to messages with emojis, share files, and create threads for focused discussions. Experiment with these features to make your conversations more engaging and organized. So there you have it. Now you're a Basecamp communication pro. Use Ping for one-on-one conversations and Campfire for group discussions to keep your team connected and productive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips.